Talk to your child at eye level. It seems so simple. As adults, we look one another in the eye when we speak and are generally on a similar eye level. It makes conversation flow more smoothly and is a way to connect more authentically. But with young children, in the hustle and bustle of daily life, we often speak to them from a position that is way above their little heads. It's not always possible, but when and if you can, try to get down to your child's eye level. The Health Federation of Philadelphia explains that being on the same physical level as you can help children feel safer, more in control, and more connected to you. It communicates to them that you are there for them and really paying attention to them. Here are a few great reasons to speak to your child eye to eye. It shows them that you're really actively listening. Seeing and watching can also be an act of listening, and sometimes it's hard to do that from up so high. Getting down, in a chair, squatting, kneeling, sitting, signals to your child that they're important to you. It shows them that they have some control. Young kids yearn for control over small things. This is one of the reasons they throw tantrums. When you get down to their level, you're not only inviting them into your space, you're letting them invite you into theirs. This can be very powerful. It gets you down into their world. Young children have a very different perspective of the world than we do, not only cognitively, but in a very literal sense as well. Seeing the way everything looks from their height is great for our own sense of empathy. You can express and see more of the nuances of language. When you're at the same eye level and are physically closer together, each of you can see smiles, nods, and various expressions that are also a major part of communication. We know this isn't always possible. Life is busy, and for many folks, doing this can be taxing on their bodies, or simply isn't a reality for a variety of reasons. But in those instances where you and your child are eye to eye, know that those connections are strong, even if they only last a moment.